Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to play Love Yourz on piano. We'll start by breaking down the core of the song. Its four main chords. These are C minor 9, B flat major over D, E flat major, and a flat major 7. Understanding this progression is absolutely key. Focus on playing the left-hand bass notes first, like C, D, E flat, and a flat, to build a solid foundation for the rhythm and harmony of the piece. Now let's move to your right hand. The melody often involves playing the upper notes of the chords, creating a beautiful, flowing sound. For example, over C minor 9, you might play E flat, G, B flat, and D. Practice voicing these chords smoothly, ensuring each note rings clearly. Pay close attention to the song's distinct rhythm, aiming for a relaxed and natural feel as you play this iconic tune. Bringing both hands together is the next crucial step. Start slowly, ensuring your left-hand bass notes align perfectly with your right-hand chords and melody. Experiment with dynamics. A softer touch for certain phrases and a slightly stronger one for others will add significant depth and emotion. Aim for a consistent tempo, perhaps around 70 to 80 beats per minute, to capture the song's reflective mood effectively and beautifully. To master Love Yourz, practice in small, manageable sections, perhaps 4 to 8 measures at a time. A metronome is your best friend for developing precise timing and a steady rhythm. Begin at a slow tempo, around 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase it as your confidence grows. Soon, you'll be able to play the entire song smoothly and expressively, enjoying every note of this meaningful piece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.